The much-awaited Chennai Metro rail services have commenced operations this morning, with the public thronging the stations for a ride in the metro. Earlier, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha had inaugurated the first phase of the 14,000 crore project from Alandur to Coimbatore via video conference from the State Secretariat just after noon. The 10-kilometer elevated stretch has 5 stations in between and takes 18 minutes to travel from Coimbatore to Alandur, with 30 seconds stopping in each station.
Nice, and it reduces our traveling time, and we won't feel very tired going to college and from home.
And home is?
It takes nearly 40 minutes to come here, but it shortens the journey.
But cost-wise, charges is very high.
Charges is a bit high, but still it is useful and it is time-consuming, so we can.
Each train has a capacity to carry 1,276 passengers, inclusive of 276 seating and 1,000 standing. This line will be extended to the Chennai airport from Alandur in the next stage of this project.